Hello friends, welcome back to our channel DocTuber. Today we will be discussing about hair fall. Are you suffering from hair loss? Then this video is for you. Please watch our video till the end. If you like our video, please share and subscribe. Now here we have enlisted the major causes of hair fall. Please go through it. Now coming to the point, what should we avoid in our daily life? Trans fatty acid. It causes inflammation and increases DST, which is present in refined oil, hydrogenated oil and deep fried foods. Sugar. It causes inflammation, increases insulin response and DST production. Now, DST is a male androgen, which causes miniaturization of hair follicles, and this contributes to male pattern of hair loss. Processed food contains unhealthy fats, sugar and sodium. It damages hair. Gluten and gliadin are found in wheat, barley and rye. Antibodies to gliadin cross-react and attack hair follicles, leading to alopecia areata, an autoimmune disease characterized by area of hair loss. So please avoid these foods. Alcohol and smoking leads to inflammation and liver toxicity, thus causing hair fall. Hard water contains dissolved salts, causing hair damage and brittle your hair. Use filtered water for hair wash. Use coconut oil before washing your hair. If water is chlorinated, use apple cider vinegar. See how hard water damages your hair. Now coming to the remedies, what should you do and what should you consume in day-to-day life? Pumpkin seeds. It inhibits DST production. It's rich in magnesium and zinc, leads to hair growth. Consume about 25 seeds per day. Saw palmetto extract inhibits DST production. Consume about 160 mg twice daily. You can buy it online. Fish oil contains ample amount of omega-3 fatty acids. Consume about 1 gram to 2 gram daily. It decreases inflammation. Now, flax seeds also contains large amount of short-chain omega-3 fatty acids. It also decreases inflammation. Now, green tea is very useful for hair growth because it inhibits DST production. Try to take 2 to 3 cups daily. You can thicken your hair by using aloe vera juice. Use it before shampoo. Apply on your hair thrice weekly. Consume bone broth. You can cook it at home. Recipe link is given in the description box. It's very helpful for hair growth because it contains collagen, glucosamine and chondroitin sulfate. Minoxidil is a topical vasodilator. It is available in 2%, 5%, 10% strength. It's available over the counter. Apply twice daily for 3 months. Rub on the alopecia area. Magnesium reduces calcium deposits in scalp, thereby reducing inflammation and promoting hair growth. Epsom salt contains magnesium sulfate. Mix it with conditioner and use it after shampoo as a hair mask. These vitamins and minerals are very essential for hair growth. You can take it as supplements or you can get it from natural sources. Onion contains quercetin, which is an antioxidant, and sulfur, which helps in collagen production. It can be applied as juice in hair for hair growth. It is an excellent remedy. Apple cider vinegar cleanses your scalp, shines your hair, promotes hair growth and fights with dandruff. You can mix 5 ml of apple cider vinegar in 500 ml water and use it after shampoo, and you will see the change instantly. It restores pH balance. Coconut oil has potent antifungal properties and anti-dandruff properties. It moisturizes the hair. You can make a hair mask with 1 teaspoon lemon juice and 1 teaspoon coconut oil and use it before shampoo. Ketoconazole shampoo is available in 1% and 2% strength. It is used for dandruff and fungal infection and used thrice a week. It is available over the counter. You can use amla, shikakai, rita, bringoraj and fenugreek powder as a hair pack. Use it once a week. It promotes hair growth, strengthens your hair and decreases hair loss. And also you can make a deep conditioning hair pack using egg, lemon and yogurt. Use it before shampoo once or twice a week. Essential oils are very helpful for hair nourishment and it works as aromatherapy. Yes, you have to manage your stress to reduce hair fall. You can consume magnesium and ashwagandha for good sleep and relaxation. Please do yoga and meditation every day. Now coming to the conclusion. Please follow our suggestions for at least 2 to 3 months and you will see the change for yourself. For other reasons of hair loss like thyroid problems, pregnancy, drug side effects, please contact your dermatologist. Thanks for watching our video.